Okay, so here we are on April 20th, 2018. A bit over a year after the Nintendo Switch came out. I've been having a ton of fun with the Nintendo Switch over the past year. There's a great meetup group here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we get together once a month in person and every Wednesday night online. And it really kind of shows off, what community can be built with the Nintendo Switch. But today was the first day that they released the Nintendo Labo series, which is an awesome thing for Nintendo to have done with all the hardware that's built into the Switch and its controllers. The reason why I personally am interested in this is because I'm a kid at heart, but also it really works on the whole maker movement right now. So everybody's learning trades again. Everybody's learning to weld, learning to use 3D printers, learning to use laser cutters. And while I know this wasn't necessarily laser cut, the cardboard that you'll see, I think more pressed out of a die or a cutting jig. This is definitely within the maker movement mentality. So the idea here is that they sell you a kit. They sell you this initial Nintendo Labo kit, and it's got about 5 different toys or toy cons that you can build within it. And what it does is it uses the controllers, as you can kind of see on the screen, and software to make things do things. So what I want to do today is I want to open it up because I'm very excited to play with it, and then potentially we'll see how time works out. I'd like to start one of the kits and build the motorcycle kit. I love Excite Bike from the old original Nintendo Entertainment System, and to me this is kind of like the next step of that. So let's go ahead and get started. So this video is unscripted, and really what I want to do first is open the box. I've seen a video or two already of people doing this, but let's go ahead and open the box. There's a tab down here, which I believe you pull out first, and there is a piece of tape there, so we'll go ahead and get that. And then we'll go ahead and open it up. Inside, the first thing that you see is the actual game cartridge, or we'll call it the software for this. So the Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 01. So this will be the software for these 5 toys that is shown here. So I'm going to put that aside for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first piece of cardboard here. The first piece of cardboard essentially gives you the instructions that you'll need to get started, and there isn't like an entire instruction booklet so much as you put the software from the Nintendo Labo into your Switch, and that gives you everything you need to do. That gives you all the instructions with 3D models, and allows you to kind of build it step by step. You also have this piece of cardboard here, and then you actually get into the accessory bag, which you'll need for different parts of the toys, and then followed by stacks and stacks of cardboard. So there's different colors, as you can kind of see, and you can already start to see the different patterns. Most of the colors kind of go together. It looks like, so if you're going to build a house with a little gremlin inside of it, that's all white cardboard. When you get down to the motorcycle, which is what I want to do, you pull out all the orange cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the orange cardboard right now, and the black cardboard is beneath it for the piano, but I want the orange cardboard. So I'm back after building the Toy-Con, the motorbike, and I've played it once or twice. What's really cool is that they have these characters in the game that talk you through things. So I'm just going to skip through these quick and go into playing again. So they tell you how to do everything. They show you. And you get an idea just from those videos of how it works. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to close. I'm going to go back to actually playing the circuit. I already got gold on the Grand Prix. Just go ahead and do that again. Give you an idea of what this looks like. So you press the little button down here to start the engine, and then you pull back, and then you turn. You can lean as well. You can see I'm going off the edge because I'm watching the camera and not the screen. There we go. And depending on how far you pull back, your speed increases, throttle. You can honk the horn using the other button. And there's also boosts in the game. Works better when you've got it actually on your lap and not like on the top of a desk. You can see it's not that hard to get first place with this. So yeah, that's the Toy-Con. You can hear the feedback and the rumble coming through. There's a lot to do in even just the motorbike. I mean, you can build fields, you can use the IR camera and do other things. And then on top of that, there's also the Toy-Con garage. I mean, there's a ton to do here. So for people that are complaining about it being $70 for a bunch of cardboard, there's a lot of playtime with these toys and with the software, and then ultimately you can invent your own things with the Toy-Con garage. So give it a look, check it out. It's out today, the 20th of April, 2018, and I'm sure you'll see a ton of other YouTube videos coming out showing off more of what this thing is capable of. Thanks for watching. I'm Andy. We'll catch you in the next one.